हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम एडवांस इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स के यूनिट नंबर 3 में लेक्चर नंबर 15 डिस्कस करेंगे। इसका टॉपिक है कोरिलेशन कोफिशिएंट्स। Carl Pearson defined the following four coefficients based upon the first four central moments as beta coefficient, beta 1 equals to mu 3 square upon mu 2 power of 3 and beta 2 equals to mu 4 upon mu 2 square. गामा कॉफिशियंट गामा 1 इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट बीटा 1 और बीटा 2 इक्वल्स टू गामा 2 इक्वल्स टू बीटा 2 माइनस 3। ये फोर कॉफिशियंट थे, बीटा 1 बीटा 2 गामा 1 का, जिसने कार्ल पियर्सन ने डिफाइन किया था। इफ बीटा 1 इक्वल्स टू 0 द कर्व इज सिमेट्रिकल। यदि बीटा 1 की वैल्यू 0 होती है तो कर्व सिमेट्रिकल होता है। हेंस बीटा 1 कैन बी टेकन एज मेजर ऑफ स्क्यूनेस एंड बीटा 2 इज टेकन एज अ मेजर ऑफ कुर्तोसिस। इसलिए बीटा 1 मेजर करता है स्क्यूनेस को और बीटा 2 मेजर करता है कुर्तोसिस को। इफ बीटा 2 इक्वल्स टू 3 गामा 2 इक्वल्स टू 0 कर्व इज कॉल्ड मीसोकुर्तिक कर्व। यदि बीटा 2 की वैल्यू 3 है, गामा 2 की 0 है तो कर्व को हम मीसोकुर्तिक कर्व कहते हैं। बीटा 2 ग्रेटर देन 0, बीटा 2 ग्रेटर देन 3 और गामा 2 ग्रेटर देन 0 देन कर्व इज कॉल्ड लेप्टोकुर्तिक कर्व। इफ बीटा 2 लेस देन 3 गामा 2 लेस देन 0 कर्व इज कॉल्ड प्लेटिकुर्तिक कर्व। तो तीन टाइप के कर्व हम लेते हैं, मीसोकुर्तिक, लेप्टोकुर्तिक और प्लेटिकुर्तिक। इसमें मीसोकुर्तिक कर्व को हम जनरली नॉर्मल कर्व भी कहते हैं और लेप्टोकुर्तिक कर्व को हम हीट कर्व कहते हैं। लेप्टोकुर्तिक कर्व को हम फ्लैट कर्व कहते हैं और प्लेटिकुर्तिक कर्व को हम पीट कर्व कहते हैं। द फर्स्ट फोर मूवमेंट्स ऑफ ए डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन अबाउट द वैल्यू 5 आर -4, 22, -117 and 560. Obtain the movements about mean and origin. mu1 double dash equals to -4, mu2 double dash equals to 22, mu3 double dash equals to -117 and mu4 dash equals to 560. A equals to 5. About this point we find the different movement about mean and origin. For the solution of this, first of all mu1 double dash equals to x bar minus a. The formula for first movement about the point A. Here the mu1 double dash given 4 and x bar minus 5. A value of A is 5, so x bar is equals to 1. Hence mu1 dash equals to 1. It is the mean. For the movements about mean are mu1 equals to 0, always it is 0. mu2 equals to mu2 double dash minus mu1 double dash का square. 22 minus 16 equals to 6. mu3 equals to mu3 double dash minus 3 mu2 double dash mu1 double dash plus 2 mu1 double dash की power 3 equals to -117 minus 3 into 22 into -4 plus 2 into -4 raised to power 3 equals to -117 plus 264 minus 128 equals to 90. इस तरह से हमने mu3 निकाला इसमें। Now mu4 equals to mu4 double dash minus 4 mu3 double dash mu1 double dash plus 6 mu2 double dash mu1 double dash square minus 6 mu1 double dash की power 4. Now write the values of here. mu4 double dash 560 minus 4 into mu3 double dash minus 117 mu1 double dash minus 4 plus 6 mu2 double dash 22 mu1 double dash minus 4 का होल स्क्वायर minus 3 into mu1 double dash की पावर 4 और minus 4 raised to power 4. This way we get 560 minus 1872 plus 2112 minus 768 equals to 32. Hence mu1 equals to 0, mu2 equals to 6, mu3 equals to 19, mu4 equals to 32. Again using formula in equation 1 and 2 and the above sent moments, we get moment about mean as mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. So mu2 dash equals to mu2 plus mu1 dash square equals to 6 plus 1 equals to 7. mu3 equals to mu3 dash minus 3 mu1 dash mu2 dash plus 2 mu1 dash power of 3. So mu3 dash equals to mu3 plus 3 mu1 dash mu2 dash minus 2 mu1 dash power of 3 or 19 plus 3 into 1 into 7 minus 2 1 raised to power 3 or 19 plus 21 minus 2 equals to 38. So mu1 equals to x bar minus a and x bar equals to 1. Hence mean equals to mu1 dash equals to 1. Further movements about mean are mu1 always 0, mu2 dash mu2 double dash minus mu1 double dash square 22 minus 16 equals to 6, mu 3 equals to mu 3 double dash minus 3 mu 2 double dash mu 1 double dash plus 2 mu 1 double dash power of 3 equals to minus 117 minus 3 into 22 into minus 4 plus 2 into minus 4 raised to power 3. So we get 90. And mu 4 equals to mu 4 double dash minus 4 mu 3 double dash mu 1 double dash plus 6 mu 2 double dash mu 1 double dash ka square minus 3 mu 1 double dash ki power 4. Hence we get 32. Hence mu 1 equals to 0, mu 2 equals to 6, mu 3 equals to 19, mu 4 equals to 32. Again using the formula, we get center movement about mean. Mu 2 equals to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 double dash square, or mu 2 dash equals to mu 2 plus mu 1 dash square equals to 6 plus 1 equals to 7. As mu 1 dash equals to 1 calculated, mu 3 equals to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 1 dash plus mu 2 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash power of 3. Mu 3 dash equals to mu 3 plus 3 mu 1 dash mu 2 dash minus 2 mu 1 dash power of 3. 19 plus 3 into 1 into 7 minus 2 1 raised to power 3, or 19 plus 21 minus 2 equals to 38. Similarly, mu 4 dash equals to mu 4 plus 3 mu 3 dash mu 1 dash minus 6 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash power of 2 plus 3 mu 1 dash power of 4. We get 145. Hence mu 1 dash equals to 1, mu 2 dash equals to 7, mu 3 dash equals to 38, mu 4 dash equals to 145. This way we can find different movement about origin and about mean. Calculate the next question is calculate the first four movement about the mean of the following distribution. Also calculate beta 1 and beta 2. We are given values of x 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. Values of y 1, 6, 13, 25, 30, 22, 9, 5 and 2. Let us find the movement about the point x equals to 5. First of all, values of xi 1 to 9 and value of yi 1 to 1, 6, 13, 25, 30, 22, 9, 5, 2. Then we get movement about any point 5. Xi minus 5, we get minus 4. 1 minus 5, 1 minus 6, 6 minus 5, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 6 minus 5, 2 minus 5 minus 3. Then 3 minus 5 minus 2, 4 minus 5 minus 1, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 5 2, 8 minus 5 3, 9 minus 5 4. Total values of yi is 113 frequency, and xi minus 5 0. Finally we get yi to xi minus 5. 1 into minus 4 minus 4, 6 into minus 3 minus 18, 13 into minus 2 minus 26, 25 multiply minus 1 minus 25, 30 multiply 0 0, 22 multiply 1 22, 9 multiply 2 18, 5 multiply 3 15, 2 multiply 4 8, and this we get minus 10. Summation of these values minus 10. Similarly, yi into xi minus 5 whole square equals to 6. Yi into xi minus 5 whole square. This will get 16, 54, 52, 25, 0, 22, 36, 45, 32, total 282. Similarly, we get yi minus xi minus 5 whole power of 3 minus 64 minus 162 minus 104 minus 25, 0, 22, 72, 135, 128, total 2. Similarly, yi multiply xi minus 5 whole power of 4, 256, 486, 208, 25, 0, 22, 144, 405, 512, total 2058. This way we get now the given frequency distribution mu1 double dash equals to summation yi minus xi minus 5 upon summation yi equals to minus 10 upon 130. It will get minus 0.088. Mu2 double dash equals to summation yi multiply xi minus 5 whole square upon summation yi 282 upon 113 equals to 2.496. Mu3 double dash equals to summation yi minus xi minus 5 whole power of 3 upon summation yi 2 upon 113 0.018. Mu4 double dash equals to summation yi xi minus 5 whole power of 4 upon summation yi 2058 upon 113 18,212. This way we will get mu1 equals to 0, mu2 equals to mu2 double dash minus mu1 double dash square 2496 minus 0.88 whole square equals to 2.488. mu3 equals to mu3 double dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus mu1 double dash power of 3, 0.018 minus 3 into 2.496 minus multiply minus 0.088 plus 2 into minus 0.088 whole power of 3, 0.018 plus 0.658944 minus 0.01363 equals to 0.675581. mu4 equals to mu4 double dash minus 4 mu3 double dash mu1 double dash plus 6 mu2 double dash mu1 double dash minus 3 mu1 double dash power of 4. This we will get 18.33413. Hence mu1 equals to 0, mu2 equals to 2.5, mu3 equals to 0.68, mu4 equals to 18.3. Approximate values of movement about mean. We get beta 1. Beta 1 coefficient mu3 square upon mu2 power of 3, it equals to 0.029, approximate 0.03. Beta 2 equals to mu4 upon mu2 whole square, 18.3 upon 625, 6.25, 2.928, approximate 3. Calculate the first four movement about mean for the following distribution and also hence beta 1 and beta 2. The values of x and y given here. Now x is the value of observations and value of y is frequencies. So first of all we find the mean because we calculate the first four movement about mean. So first we calculate the mean. Summation of x upon summation f equals to about 1024 upon 256. Summation of x is 1024 upon 256. We will get 4. It is the mean. Now the table constructed this way. xi fi values given 0 to 8, fi 1 8 2 8 28 56 70 56 28 81. Summation of fi 256. xi minus 4 values are given 0 minus 4 minus 4 1 minus 4 minus 3 2 minus 4 minus 2 3 minus 4 minus 1 4 minus 4 0 5 minus 4 1 6 minus 4 2 7 minus 4 3 8 minus 4 4 and sum of 0. Similarly fi minus xi minus 4 summation we will get 0 fi into xi minus 4 whole power square 512 fi minus xi minus 4 whole power of 3 summation 0 fi into xi minus 4 whole power of 4 2816. Hence movement about mean x equals to 4 is mu1 equals to summation fi xi minus 4 upon summation fi 0, mu2 equals to summation fi xi minus 4 whole square upon summation fi 512 upon 256 2 के इक्वल आएगा. mu3 equals to summation fi xi minus 4 power of 3 upon summation fi equals to 0 और mu4 equals to summation fi xi minus 4 whole power of 4 upon summation fi equals to 2816 upon 256 equals to 11. This way we find different movement about mean. Now we will find beta 1 and beta 2 coefficient. Beta 1 equals to mu3 square upon mu2 power of 3 equals to 0 or beta 2 equals to mu4 upon mu2 square 11 upon 4 2.75. Hence beta 1 equals to 0, hence curve is symmetric about mean, and beta 2 equals to less than 3, hence curve is plateautic in nature. This way we will find difference. So we discussed here correlation coefficient, calculation coefficient, beta coefficient and gamma coefficient. Then we find then skewness y using beta 1, value of beta 1 if it's 0 it's symmetrical, if greater than 0 so it is positive skewed, if less than 0 then negative skewed. If beta 2 equals to 3 gamma 2 equals to 0 curve is mesocortic curve, beta 2 greater than 3 gamma 2 greater than 0 curve is called leptocortic curve, beta 2 less than 3 gamma 2 less than 0 curve is called platycortic curve. Then we find different questions about the movement about mean, movement about origin and movement about any arbitrary points. This way this lecture is completed. Now thank you.